Hey tastemakers, welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can wrap a wine gift for Valentine's Day. Okay, so you can take the recipient's favorite wine. This is one of my favorite wines. This is an empty bottle, so I just want to show you, give you a demonstration of what you can do. And this is, one thing about when my husband and I were first dating 30 years ago, when he would come to visit me, he always had something. He never came empty-handed. Once he learned, my favorite bottle of wine, a little extra snack. So this is a cute way you can be discreet if you want to, walk your gift over to, the lady that you're seeing or the young man or whoever. All right, so what we're going to need 2 pieces of tissue paper. I got a pad of heart one tissue paper. We got a pink tissue, and then I got some clear cello wrap here. Okay, so I'm going to cut this cello wrap down a little larger, probably like 1.5 inches more than the tissue paper. Okay. All right, so we're going to take the first piece of paper, we're going to kind of like turn it one way, and let me show you how it's going to be, like that. Okay, get your wine, stick it right in the middle. Bring everything up, bring all the points up. Smooth everything up. And that's all your points up. Smooth it, smooth it, smooth it. Take some ribbon. I always do a slip knot. You can keep it simple. Okay, so we got one little piece of ribbon there. I like to take one solid color ribbon and then one pattern piece of ribbon. Just tie a knot. Okay. And then we're going to curl the ribbon. Some little curly cues on there. So you can just keep it like that. That's one way. And then here's another way. So if you want to have the whole shebang, we have the wine, have a hand-tied bow here, and then put a box of chocolates on top. Just tape it on top, and that's how you create a beautiful wine gift. Okay? So that's how easy it is. All right, guys, so I want to thank you so much for tuning in today to how to wrap a wine gift for Valentine's Day. And if you like content like this, where we live tastefully for less, please don't hesitate to subscribe. I would love to have you at the table, Hit the like button if you like this video. We're having fun over here. We love to have fun. Hit the like button, hit the share, hit the, I'm going to do the whole shebang. We're going to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. There's nothing else you need to do. All right. Thank you so much, you guys. Bye. Bye, Mom.